Hello traders, in this video we're taking a look at the Forex Goiler Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its price levels and information panel appear on the chart, what the projected entry and target levels imply, and how this Gann style day trading tool structures intraday analysis. At this point I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, the Forex Goiler Indicator draws key price levels directly on the main chart and displays an information panel, as you can see down here, that summarizes important intraday values. The panel typically shows two suggested entry points, two take profit targets, and a stop loss level, giving a structured map of potential trading zones for the current session. Horizontal lines corresponding to these levels appear on the chart, visually marking where the indicator's Gann style calculations consider price to be at attractive entry or exit zones. Because the levels are generated ahead of time, traders can see how price behaves around them during the trading day and use the layouts to plan reactions to approaches, tests, or rejections. The design is geared toward active day trading, especially around the reopen session, where intraday swings around these projected levels are most relevant. As for the indicator settings, right, so for our customized parameters, we basically have the font size, the corner, and then show calculation, which we can set up or we can set to be true or false. Can also set our preferred colors and trade using our preferred time frames as well. So who is the indicator for? The Forex Goiler Indicator is aimed at day traders who want a pre-planned level-based framework for intraday trading rather than drawing all levels manually. It can be particularly useful for those who like to see clear entry, targets, and stop zones on the chart before the session starts so they can monitor how price interacts with them. The indicator is an analytical planning tool only and does not execute or manage trades automatically. Traders must still decide how to respond when price switches or reacts to the levels. As with any projected level system, the suggested levels are based on historical data and Gann style calculations and may not align with every market move, especially during unusual volatility or news events. So they should be used alongside independent analysis and robust risk controls. The download link for the Forex Goiler Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read the full article, download the files, and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more content on level-based and session-oriented intraday tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.